Mia walks to an animal rescue center to help with evening care. If she walks at 40 meters per minute, she arrives 7 minutes late. If she walks at 50 meters per minute, she arrives 2 minutes late. How far is the rescue center from her home? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. The distance is the same in both plans, so speed and time trade off. Let us set up a table. Plan A. Speed is 40 meters per minute. She walks for t plus 7 minutes. Distance is d. Plan B. Speed is 50 meters per minute. She walks for t plus 2 minutes. Distance is also d. Same destination. What is the same? The distance. Both plans cover d meters. That is the bridge. Speed times time equals distance, and the distance is shared. Here is the trade. Plan B walks 10 meters per minute faster than Plan A, but Plan B walks 5 minutes less because she is faster, so Plan B trades speed for time. The savings in time and the gains in speed must balance, otherwise the distances would not match. Now we equate the trade. The slower speed times the time Plan B saved equals the faster speed gain times Plan B's actual time. That is 40 times 5 equals 10 times Plan B's time. 200 equals 10 times Plan B's time. So Plan B walked for 20 minutes. Now find the distance. Plan B walks at 50 meters per minute for 20 minutes. So the distance is 50 times 20. That is 1,000 meters. The rescue center is 1,000 meters from her home. This is the schedule trick. It is the strongest disguise in the family. Speed and time both changed, but the distance stayed the same. Time saved time, slower speed equals extra speed times faster time. Same bridge, new variables, leftover, shortage, swing, difference, adjustment, schedule, one family, 6 disguises. Once you see the bridge, every problem in this family becomes clear. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.